If you're seeing Facebook error 200, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. Error 200 is often caused by a temporary page issue, a bad connection, or old browser data getting in the way. The good news is that you can try these steps in just a minute or two, and most of the time, it gets things working again. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when new tutorials go live. Alright, let's get into the fix. The first thing to do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook just needs a simple reload, and error 200 can disappear right away after the page loads again. If that does not work, try closing the tab and opening Facebook again from scratch. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger loading problems and cause Facebook to return errors like this. Try opening another website to see if it loads properly. If it doesn't, restart your Wi-Fi router. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're on a phone, or reconnect to your network to make sure your connection is stable. If the page still isn't working, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Old cached files can sometimes conflict with the latest version of Facebook and cause error messages to appear. In your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, then clear cached images and files. After that, restart the browser and try Facebook again. This often fixes the issue when a simple refresh doesn't. If you're still seeing error 200 after that, try opening Facebook in an incognito or private window. This helps you test whether the issue is caused by saved browser data, extensions, or cookies. If Facebook works in private mode, then the problem is likely with your normal browser session, and clearing cache and cookies should help. You can also try a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue is limited to one browser, and switching to Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another device can help confirm that. If Facebook works somewhere else, then you know the problem is local and not with your account. And one more thing, if you have browser extensions running, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, try disabling them temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with Facebook loading correctly and may trigger strange errors. So, to recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, and clear your browser cache. Those are the main steps that usually fix Facebook error 200 quickly. If the problem still continues, try private browsing, a different browser, or disabling extensions. I hope this video helped you get Facebook working again. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.